Hello everyone. This time, I am going to show you how to cook tofu steak. This is a simple and easy recipe tutorial video. Tofu steak is a vegetarian dish. Please stay and watch this recipe tutorial until the end of the video to find out the easy steps on how to cook tofu steak. The ingredients are listed down in the description box below. Let's go. Hi there. Welcome to GarinTV. If you are new to this channel, just give a like, and please don't forget to subscribe. Let's cook in. Dry the tofu first. Then cut the tofu into thin squares, like this. In a bowl, combine the soy sauce and lemon juice together. Marinate the tofu in the mixture for 10 to 15 minutes. Coat the tofu with flour. Pan and add enough oil for frying. Fry the coated tofu until golden brown on both sides and set aside. Heat the pan and add oil. Caramelize the large white onions and set aside. In the same pan, sauté the red onions and garlic. Add soy sauce, bouillon cube, sugar and water. Boil for 3 minutes. Then add the caramelized onion rings. Pour the cooked mixture sauce into the fried tofu. This is how to cook tofu steak. Serve and enjoy. If you like this recipe tutorial video, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you.